Scientists discovered that ants are always checking each other out for diseases. This ant right here had an infection in his leg, so this other ant chopped it off to save his life. I don't think this guy has ever been outside before.
That's so computer generated, bro. This is not real.
Oh my god!
We are in the Matrix right now. I don't believe this.
It's there it goes. Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's a good thing he didn't overreact. So, I guess if you spend a long time at the slot machines at a casino, they will have an employee come by to give you a massage. Did somebody order a loaf of bread?
Look, are you a bag of buns? Yeah.
I just found out that there's a restaurant in India that shows my videos every single night.
Take me to Supercuts. This haircut looks horrible. I had a cute pot. You look good, honey.
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very soon. The police were looking for a suspect and last saw him running towards his house. I really wish I never saw this video. These ladies found a ferrofluid speaker in a recording studio.
Hey! Hello?
It was his first time going to the beach.